Today we'll talk about how can you find your points on your YesStyle app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your YesStyle app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go here, you go down, you click here on account down here, just click on it. When you click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you will find here YesStyle points. You just click on it. When you click here on points, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So just switch into open video. So then here it's going to show for you like this here. Then here you will find your YesStyle points here. I have these points here. If you have a lot, can you find it in this list here? So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.